Hello, good morning, dear students. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss the guest paper of History of Ancient India for BG 4th semester. This guest paper has been framed by one of the renowned teacher in this very subject, Dr. Samir. And before discussing the guest paper, once again, I request all of you kindly subscribe as well as share this channel. This paper is for BG 4th semester, and the important question is from each unit has been discussed, and we have given almost 8 or 9 questions from this very paper. So let us start with, we have question number first, the sources of ancient Kashmir. What are the features of prehistoric Kashmir? And the third question is features of Karakota dynasty. Coming to fourth question, we have फीचर्स ऑफ करकोटा डायनास्टी। तो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है। अब फोर्थ क्वेश्चन पे अगर हम आ जाएंगे, ब्रीफ सर्वे ऑफ उत्पाला डायनास्टी एंड देन कश्मीर एज एन एंशंट सीट ऑफ लर्निंग। सो ये आपके 5 क्वेश्चंस बन जाएंगे। अब सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन पे अब हम आ जाएंगे, इसमें देखेंगे कि इंपॉर्टेंट महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन कौन सा है। वी हैव बुद्धिज्म एंड ट्रिकाशविज्म इन कश्मीर। सेवंथ क्वेश्चन विल बी कश्मीर अंडर हुनस। देन एट्थ क्वेश्चन वी हैव कश्मीर अंडर कुशाना रूल। So this was all about the guest paper of history for BG 4th semester. Hopefully you will get enough marks from this very guest. Thank you for your cooperation.